Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, we are unboxing a new version of the TT20. So let's just get into it. Here is your warranty information and where to find us on social media. And of course, the light itself. I gotta say, I like this blue. This is a very nice blue. Of course, you have a super powerful tactical flashlight, one-click turbo. By holding down the side switch, I can adjust the power of the light from low to high. And of course, double-click for turbo, or just simply use the tail switch for one-click easy access to turbo mode. This clip right here is dual directional, so it can be removed like that and then placed down here like so. USB-C rechargeable, but this is a really great color. Let me grab the other ones so I can show you the differences between all three of our TT20s. So here we have the red outsider edition of the TT20 and the regular black version. What a great set of flashlights. The TT20 in black is the standard. If you want to be a little more discreet about what you have on your belt, this is the way to go. Of course, you want to be flashy about it. The red is a fantastic option for you. A really great outsider customized edition of this light. And of course, the new blue. Let me refresh the specs for you on this light. 2,526 lumens on turbo mode, 1,468 on infinity high, all the way down to 31 lumens on that infinity low. The light itself does run on a 21700 battery. It's 5,000 milliamp hour as well. It's a very high capacity. We've discussed its USB-C rechargeable with a beam distance of 258 meters. So this is the blue version of the light. We've gotten a lot of requests for this blue version, and we're happy to have that now. It's now available for pre-order over on our website, ThruNite.com. I'll link that in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon.